up, it's a brand new day. Time to dress and shout hooray. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Superhero toddler, dress up, let's go play. Superhero on the way. Shirt and pants, shoes on tight. We're getting ready, feel the might. Shirt, pick a shirt, red or blue. Slip it on. Pants, pants go up, step inside. 1 leg, 2 legs, take a stride. Pants, pull them up, don't be slow. Superhero, ready to duck. Socks on feet, soft and snug, slide them on. Hark. Shoes go on, tap, tap, tap. Left and right, strap. Jacket down. Pudgin, 1 by 1. Getting dressed is so much fun. Dress up, shout